Unlock the secrets of cost-effective meal preparation. Are you tired of spending a fortune on meals every week? Do you find yourself resorting to fast food or takeout due to lack of time or inexperience with cooking? If so, then we have just the solution for you. In this article, we will share some secrets to cost-effective meal preparation that will not only save you money but also help you eat healthier and tastier meals. One of the key secrets to cost-effective meal preparation is planning ahead. Take some time each week to plan your meals for the upcoming days. Look for recipes that use similar ingredients so that you can buy in bulk and minimize waste. Making a grocery list and sticking to it will also prevent impulse purchases and ensure that you only buy what you truly need. Another secret to cost-effective meal preparation is to buy ingredients in season. Seasonal produce is not only more affordable but also fresher and tastier. Visit your local farmers market to find the best deals on fruits and vegetables that are in season. Moreover, buying in bulk or from wholesale stores can help you save money in the long run. Meal prepping is another secret to cost-effective cooking. Spend a few hours each week cooking in large batches and portioning out meals to be enjoyed throughout the week. This not only saves time but also reduces food waste. Freeze the extra portions for later, so you always have a home-cooked meal ready when you don't feel like cooking. Investing in quality cookware and kitchen gadgets may seem like an unnecessary expense, but it can actually save you money in the long run. Non-stick pans, for example, require less oil for cooking, resulting in healthier and more cost-effective meals. Additionally, a slow cooker or instant pot can make meal preparation a breeze by allowing you to cook delicious meals with minimal effort. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you can find a treasure trove of cost-effective meal preparation ideas and recipes. Our videos are packed with tips and tricks to help you cook flavorful meals on a budget. From quick and easy recipes to more elaborate dishes, there's something for everyone. In conclusion, unlocking the secrets to cost-effective meal preparation can significantly impact your budget and overall well-being. By planning ahead, buying seasonal ingredients, meal prepping, and investing in quality cookware, you can enjoy delicious and affordable meals every day. Help spread the word by subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing your newfound knowledge. Thank you for watching.